Hi, Unbox Nowhere. Here we have from 1988 Naked Gun on 4K Steelbook. It has DTS 5.1 master audio on both discs, and it's got Dolby Vision. Runtime is 84 minutes. So let's take a look inside, see what we got. Big chunk of glue. It's kind of glossy finish. Spine, Paramount, Naked Gun. Backside. There's a code. That's the blu-ray disc. And the 4K disc, which is black, dusty. Inside art. The whole thing. So that's the Naked Gun 4K Steelbook. If you're into collecting Steelbooks 4K Blu-ray, please subscribe. And remember to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. So bye bye.